Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to clean your filter on your GE dishwasher. First, you want to open the door. Next, you want to pull out this shelf. And there is a gray piece right underneath the washer here. And if you see, it actually has some lettering on it that says lock and unlock. You want to twist this counterclockwise to unlock it. And then you can pull straight up. From there, you can pull out the filter. You can see that this is kind of dirty. And on the bottom side, it has another additional lock and unlock. So if you click this counterclockwise, it should pop out as well. This will catch all the bigger items. So you can take this to your sink, clean it out, put it under some hot water and some soap, make sure it's clean. Once you have it back, you can place this back in and go clockwise, and it should click right in. Next, drop it back in the slot and just spin it clockwise until it clicks in and the arrows match. After that, you're good to go. If you thought this video was useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.